How's it going, everybody? I am Jason Howard, and this is the GEEK A20 version 3. So the A20 is a mini ITX case. It supports low-profile graphics cards and Flex ATX power supplies. The case is 100 millimeters in width, 298 millimeters in height, and 234 millimeters deep. This case retails for 39 American dollars. And the price is so low because it is made from acrylic. Now, acrylic may not be your preference, but this is one of the best mini ITX cases for the price. Now, some assembly is required if you pick this case up. All of the necessary components are inside the box. You do have to install the motherboard standoffs, and you do have to install the front panel I/O. It's not really difficult. It just adds a little bit of extra time when you are building inside of this case. And speaking of the front panel I/O, GEEK went with a USB 3.0 and a USB 2.0. I'm not sure why they reverted back to this version. Maybe the USB 3.0 connectors were a little bit expensive, or maybe they lost their supplier, but either way, I would have appreciated two USB 3.0 ports in the front. So when you get the case out of the box, you'll notice that there's a layer of plastic you need to peel off around the perimeter of the case. And there's also a thin layer of plastic on each panel to protect the acrylic from getting scratched and or cracking. At the bottom, there is a panel where you can unscrew and attach two 2.5-inch hard drives. There's holes for the actual bottom plate, and 4 additional holes to mount the feet that come included with this case. So here's a closer look at the front panel I/O. Of course, you have your USB 3.0, your mic and headphone jack, and unfortunately the USB 2.0 port. The A20 does not have a lot of cutouts for ventilation, but there is room for a 80mm fan at the bottom. For size reference, here it is next to the in-wind Chopin. So anyway, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions about this case. I'll try my best to answer whatever questions you may have. I have put together a short build video for this case, so if you want to watch that, just click the box that's going to come up on the screen. And if you are new here, please subscribe for more tech content. I'm Jason, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.